From the very beginning, Turkey appealed the European Union to become member. The Republic of Cyprus didn't behave as an occupation, as a victim of occupation by Turkish troops. I think we behave normally and, let me say, correctly. We said that we are full supporters of the accession of Turkey in the European Union. The full accession of Turkey in the European Union. Of course, with some preconditions. Turkey could not continue occupying part of member state and being member state as well. There are some other obligations taken by Turkey with the European Union regarding the Republic of Cyprus. So we hope that as soon as possible Turkey is going to fulfill these obligations. Of course, the main obstacle for the full access of Turkey in the European Union is not Cyprus. Let me say that there are powerful countries, leading countries in the Union, which says openly that they don't want Turkey as full member and they want a special treatment with Turkey. Of course, I am sure that the Turkish leadership is under the influence of this fact regarding the Cyprus problem. But they have to separate the Cyprus problem from their own problems with the Union. Because the Cyprus problem is a problem of invasion and occupation, it's a problem of violation of international law, it's a problem of occupation of a country member of the European Union and of the United Nations as well. There are plethora of resolutions of the United Nations which ask for the withdrawal of the foreign troops. I'm not just in favor of the withdrawal of the Turkish troops. I'm in favor of the withdrawal of foreign troops in general, including every kind of troops.